This is Melanie. She is a busy event planner who doesn't have a lot of time to seek out new suppliers for her events. Melanie heard about Event Pitch and then registered for our show on our website www.eventshowsydney.com.au. Once she registered, Melanie was taken to our Event Pitch portal where she uploaded details of her future events and selected the types of suppliers she is looking for. The Event Pitch system then selected exhibitors that meet her criteria, sent them this information and requested a 5-minute pitch time at the show. In the weeks before the show, the exhibitors are preparing their pitches, proposals and ideas so that when Melanie meets with them, it's a lot easier and less time-consuming to do business. At the show, Melanie is hosted at a table where the selected exhibitors meet with her for a series of 5-minute pitches that are tailored for the events she is currently planning. This saves her time, introduces her to new suppliers, and gives her new ideas for her future events. If you are like Melanie and would like us to do your supplier researching for you, register for The Event Show on our website www.eventshowsydney.com.au.